Hello. If you found this, you were able to get onto the website, and instead of me lecturing about the course requirements, what you will be able to do is go to this website, click on this video, and watch and answer the questions that are relating to it on the Google form. For starters, the first thing will be daily work. Daily work is a one-point assignment that is assigned every day when you come into class. It is designed to get you to get out of the mindset of being in the hallway and into the mindset of getting to a classroom setting. It is worth 1 point. There's my one. Get over it. There. 1 point. If you miss a day, so let's say you're absent on Tuesday, you are still expected to do the 1 point. If you don't do the 1 point, you lose it. That's what a lot of students choose to do. They don't go back because they don't want the 1 point. You will still be graded on that 1 point, and you will lose it if you don't do it. You will be given student handbook policy, which is like 1 day plus the day you were gone, to make it up. You can use any resources that you want, from notes to asking me questions. The one thing I do not like, and I can correlate back to lower performance, is students that come in and want to talk during the daily work. Those students that perform poorly on daily work are also identified as the students that are the ones that yell across the classroom. Those students not only disrupt themselves, but they also disrupt the class. I will not be very appreciative of those students if they do that again this semester. Moving on. Second requirement is assessments. At the end of the semester, all students will be, including graduating seniors, will be expected to take a comprehensive final, meaning it's over the entire semester. It will not just be over a last chapter, it will be over everything we've covered. We will also have projects, from posters to experiments and quizzes. That could be identification quizzes, or it can be knowledge quizzes over the material that is presented. Next up is the supervised agriculture experience. This one we'll spend some extensive time discussing on Friday, but I want to introduce it here with the course requirements. It is a student-developed project where you will... My course requirements is over here. Sorry, I gotta look how I worded it. Relates to an FFA proficiency area. That's a hyperlink. You can go to that. There's 49 or 50 areas. Your project has to fit into that area. Every month you will check it. We'll have it checked by me, and what I'm looking for is that you're documenting the hours that you're spending on. This semester, I am setting it that you have to have at least 18 hours. We'll describe more about what this means on Friday, but you have to have 18 hours documented that you did with your SAE. SMART goals. You have to develop 3 goals that are SMART. S-A-M-A-R-T is an acronym for a type of goal. I provided 2 help documents to give you some ideas of what a SMART goal is. It's specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timetabled. We will discuss more about those on Friday, but you are more than welcome to look at these to find out what these help documents will provide you. Next up is the final project. The final project will be a document where you have to have all of your SAE materials collaborated together. Resume. I think some Norfolk students have it, some do not. Those that have it, awesome, high five. Those that do not have it, we will teach you how to write and make a resume, and we'll give you time within Fridays to get to that resume. Also, I don't want every single one of you students to go to a 4-year college, because I don't think every single student should go to a 4-year college, nor to a 2-year college. I think some of you should join the military. I think some of you should find other career aspirations within apprenticeships, but each one of you will have some sort of a tertiary education, would be my encouragement, because high school doesn't prepare you enough to be a skilled laborer. and with that skilled laborer you can apply for scholarships to help pay for that skilling. I don't think that's a word. And you will be expected to, on these Fridays, you'll have time to work on what would be called the scholarship goal essay. Most scholarships, it doesn't matter if the FFA scholarships all the way to the Johnny Carson scholarships, they have something in the range of why should you be selected to receive a scholarship. That will be a requirement where you write it in a 5-paragraph format where you have an intro, 3 points, and a conclusion. I think most English teachers teach you about what these are, and they will tell you that the intro has to be kind of catchy-ish, and you identify your 3 points, and then you transition into the first point, transition into the second, transition to the third, and then transition to a conclusion where you say the second point, the first point, the second point, and the third point. After a semester of teaching at Norfolk, I don't think students know how to do this, and I want to make sure that they understand that their English teachers are teaching them something that is worthwhile, because it is to be found not only in English class but also on your scholarships and in agriculture as a generality, in the being able to present your idea to a farmer or be a farmer and present your material to a salesperson that's coming to you to sell something. That takes us into a news topic application, in that agriculture is in the news and it always is having something done to it. And on our Fridays, every other Friday, you will be given a news site, and that site then you will have to find something that relates to the class and develop a 5-paragraph format where you are introducing yourself in the news article. Then you'll describe what the article was about, relation to how it was a class. That's your second point. And then the third point would be given an opinion of what that class is being, that you feel that article's about. And then the last one then is a conclusion, where you would describe what bluntly it is, bluntly how it related to the class, and then reword how you feel personally about it. Those are the first course requirements. You have that Google form thingy that you're filling out for a class assignment. This would be the first course requirements. The second video installment will be dealing into the class management ones. Please pause this and rewind it when you need to.